Ep3 Civic in the house, and it's got some light mods. So it's got a Jap speed manifold, a bit of a 2.5-inch exhaust, an induction kit, and we're going to map it. So I'm going to get it strapped down to the dyno. Let's go. Okay, so initial power run done, and she's made 212 brake horsepower, which isn't bad. So Richard is in his map mode. He's now plugged into the ECU, and we're going to start tuning. So fingers crossed. Yeah, I meant the laptop was plugged into it. Obviously, I thought you were Locutus of Borg, and you were just going to plug your finger into the car, like Lieutenant Commander Data.
Stick it in my ear and download it.
That's how it's going to go soon.
Yeah, there'll be no tuning, mate. Not allowed.
What, all be banned?
Tampering, yeah.
You trying to cheer me up?
No, I'm just saying.
we better find another hobby.
This time next year, mate.
What, we'll all be millionaires?
No,
we
we'll
don't.
have no business.
It's all right, mate. We can move to another country. It's easy peasy.
What, that doesn't have those rules?
We'll just put a fence up around Dynodaze and we'll declare an independent state.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
The Commonwealth of Dynodaze.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's lots of people that would join us.
There might be some cheap units though, mightn't there?
Yeah.
People have gone bust. It'd be ace, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So what important lesson have you learned today? That if you want an extension lead to work, there's no point in running the extension lead to the car, plugging it all in, plugging it into the laptop, telling me that it's on, and then not turning the switch on at the plug.
Which is just here behind me.
Yeah. So apparently that does make a big difference.
That was my job.
Yeah. Fail.
Sorry, Richard.
That's all right. We'll bring it up in your appraisal.
Cool, man. I'm looking forward to giving you yours.
Good. What about the appraisal?
It'll have a piece of paper attached to it.
Yeah.
Which will begin with P.
Good.
Then it won't be a 45.
What will it then?
Be a 60.
A 60? Is that what it is?
That's your last one.
Oh, can't I have a final written?
Well, you've had a couple of verbal warnings.
Yeah. Well, never mind. Life's hard.
Wear a helmet.
Wear a helmet. Right, Silver EP3.
Yeah, should we do what we were doing?
Yeah, should we do what we should be doing?
Silver EP3 in the house, and it's been mapped up today by our Richard, and it's done pretty well. Sounds great. Customer specifically said he was too old for pops and bangs. He's definitely 10 years younger than me, so I don't know what he's talking about.
Yeah.
But no props and bags, no flags for this.
Yeah,
whatever you want.
Whatever the customer wants.
Whatever you want.
So
within reason.
Yeah, I think we've got a 4-to-1 manifold. We've got 2.5-inch exhaust. We've got Tegular induction kit with the letterbox, airbox. I think that's about it, really, mods-wise. There's not a massive amount going on there. So yeah, everything's pretty good, and it made a right power. I think it did 215 when it came in.
Yes. And 212 and then 223.
Yeah, 223
I believe.
Yeah, with some good mid-range gains. I think the exhaust is a little bit on the small side. I think that's what's hurt this today. I think we're on 2.25. Yeah,
well, it's a bit of a track car, a bit of a track toy for him, and it's made 50 brake horsepower in the mid-range. He's going to feel that on track.
Oh, definitely.
Transform it, won't it, mate? Transform it.
Should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so as we always say, red line is as it came in, and blue line is as she leaves. Extended the rev range, loaded the Vtec, and a whopping 50 brake horsepower in the mid-range there, and it leaves us today with 223 brake horsepower, and that's 189 at the wheels. So there you go, another one in the bag. I like this one. I like silver EP3s. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. If today is the day that you choose to subscribe to this channel, I appreciate it. If you do hit that bell notification icon, you'll get to see all our videos as we upload them. But yeah, thanks, guys. Thanks for the support on YouTube as ever. And that's another one done. We'll see you on the next video. Hey, Rich. We'll see you on the next one, won't we, mate? We will indeed. We will indeed.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.